This is the fast-paced testing of the content creation workflow. I gave it a title for an article for a blog post. And then as you can see, the main agent calls all the tools and sub-agents to create the content. This is the posted article on the WordPress website blog. These are the social media posts on Facebook and LinkedIn. This is the Telegram summary message that I received when the flow was finished. You can see it summed up everything that the flow did. This is the Content Planner agent. This is the execution of the flow. So the Content Planner received the query. You can see everything that it did. This is the result that it returned. It used Tavely to search the internet for really relevant information. And this is the image generator agent. This is the execution of the flow. It received the query for the short summary of the published article. It generated a prompt for an image generator agent. This is the LinkedIn agent. The LinkedIn agent received the blog post entirely, and based on that, it generated a short post for LinkedIn, while maintaining the language of the blog post, of course. And that's it.